Koloji is the biggest camp for internally displaced people in the easternmost state of Ethiopia, the Somali region. The camp hosts 80,000 Ethiopians, mainly of the Somali ethnic community, coming from the nearby Oromia regional state. New families arrive nearly every day. They add up to the 8 million people needing daily assistance only to eat, and to another 8 million who are considered chronically vulnerable. I left 2 years ago because of the fight between communities. I was born in Oromia and my family had been there for centuries. I lost 2 brothers and all my animals. We left the animals and everything when we were attacked. We lost our husbands and children. Our living conditions here are difficult. We have nothing. We followed the visit of the European Commissioner for Humanitarian Aid and Crisis Management to Koloji camp.
Yes, just to say hello. Hello. Hello.
Christos Stylianides announced 89 million euros in humanitarian support for 2018-2019. These funds will be used not only to address the needs of displaced people, but also to assist 1 million refugees coming from neighboring countries, as well as to tackle natural disasters such as drought.
Ethiopia, you know, that is a very profound political change, and the European Union is here to support this big reform in this stable island of this region.
The government is cooperating with international agencies who are nevertheless asking for an independent assessment of the needs in sensitive areas and to avoid people to be pressured to return to unsafe zones.
The new government of Prime Minister Abiy has shaken up Ethiopia, making also impressive steps towards promoting human rights. This young leader is aimed at reuniting his country's fragmented society. If he succeeds, he might bring a wave of democracy not only to Ethiopia but also to the wider region. Monica Pinna, Koloji, Euronews.